Welcome to our tutorial on adding notes to Rotators. Are you ready to keep track of important information and insights for your Rotators? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding notes to your Rotators, allowing you to maintain organized and informative records. To get started, when entering a new Rotator or editing an existing one, click on Show Advanced Settings. Then, scroll down to Notes. Here, you can enter any notes you find important for this Rotator. Whether it's specific instructions, insights, or reminders, adding notes allows you to keep all relevant information in one place. Unlock the power of organized note-taking and streamline your Rotator management process. Let's dive in and optimize your Rotator strategy with added notes.